I have truly experienced the wonderful benefits that a plant-based diet has to offer. As a student at the University of Nebraska, I was a starting football player, and I was also studying to get my degree in livestock production. But unfortunately, a career-ending back injury left me physically incapacitated and wondering what the real truth about health and wellness was. After much searching, I stumbled upon research showing the positive benefits that a plant-based diet had on weight loss and obesity. And at 100 pounds overweight and still unable to exercise, I really had nothing to lose, so I gave a plant-based diet a try. After building my new diet around the simple starchy staples, foods like rice, beans, potatoes, sweet potatoes, corn and quinoa, and of course fruits and vegetables, I found that I didn't even miss the meat, milk, eggs, and other animal products that I had cut out of my diet. Over the course of the next 2 years, following a plant-based diet, I was able to lose 100 pounds and finally regain my health. Happy with my own plant-based experience, I then turned to my family and loved ones who were also in dire need of meaningful health changes in their own lives. I began teaching and sharing with them the tips, changes, and habits that I used personally to make the adoption of a plant-based diet easy, effective, but most importantly, enjoyable. I'm happy to report that I've had the ultimate pleasure of watching my family and loved ones, including my mother, sister, father, in-laws, cousins, grandparents, and many more, get to experience the wonderful benefits that a plant-based diet has to offer. Things like losing 60, 70, 80 pounds, finally getting off their blood pressure and cholesterol medications, reinvigorated with the energy they once had decades ago, and getting to hold their children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren for many years to come. And so here we are. I decided that a plant-based diet wasn't just for myself and my family, but for everyone. In my new book, The Plant-Based Diet for Beginners, you'll find the research showing how a plant-based diet can effectively treat many chronic diseases, such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. You'll find out that eating a plant-based diet is not only healthy for you and your family, but for the environment and the animals that inhabit it. I've included helpful information on eating out, how to go grocery shopping, and even how to batch cook the simple starchy staples so you're never more than a few minutes away from a ready-to-heat and eat healthy meal. On top of that, you'll find my favorite 75 plant-based recipes that I've used to lose 100 pounds and also help my family regain their health. When I first set out to write this book, my only goal was to create the handbook that I wish I would have had to give my family when they first began a plant-based diet. And I'm happy to say that that goal has been accomplished. In the Plant-Based Diet for Beginners book, you're going to find all the tips, tricks, habits, changes that I've used that many others have used to make this way of eating not just a diet, but a lifestyle. I truly hope that you find just as many benefits in a plant-based diet as I have. You can find more about my journey at plantbasedgabriel.com and always stay connected on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter at Plant-Based Gabriel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoy the book. And remember, more plants, more power.